I have questions. I have 99 plus. Can you speak Bengali? That's the question.
बहुत मुश्किल से जब मैं मिस्टर रॉय बनी थी तो बहुत कुछ एक दो चीजें बोली थी मैंने बंगाली में. बहुत बहुत फनी था. But tell me, you liked Mr. Roy?
Who are you asking this question to? Me?
To you.
I think Mr. Roy was the funniest thing ever. He looked like a third. He was a Bengali, and he was unimaginably short for a Mr. Roy apparently. And
Chani
and,
saying hi.
and
How you?
he also, yeah. Hi, Chandni. I thought she was in Himachal, and she was always complaining there is no network there. So she doesn't want to go to Himachal. But this time, I think she has network there.
हाँ अभी जहाँ पे वहाँ नेटवर्क है थोड़ा सा.
Awesome.
मुश्किल से आता है.
What is your favorite perfume? Nice perfume.
Oh, I can never forget that. I don't know.
You don't know you have?
But my dal chawal surely has namak in it.
Your dal chawal has no. Good for all the people who are eating your dal chawal.
No.
No?
Why did you change the hairstyle? I think this question is for you. I'm sad.
Why?
Z9 Naz. She's saying that she's very sad looking at your hairstyle.
I'm completely okay. उग जाएंगे थोड़े टाइम में. एक आध साल में तो उग ही जाएंगे. So by then I can start of getting back to work. So it's just perfect. Everything's perfect.
Okay.
No, I chopped my beard also, so yeah, but it's okay. Nobody realizes of late.
नहीं समझ. हाँ इसमें नहीं समझ. Somebody is writing. Anita is writing. Is Haley biryani?
Is Haley biryani? Absolutely not. She is dal chawal. Haley, because you're vegetarian, na? You can't be biryani.
Yeah. And also, apple and orange की शादी कब है? Did you see that meme? जिसमें you remember apple and orange की शादी, right?
वो कुछ तो हम I'm on the laptop.
You were supposed to pay attention to what I'm trying to say. तो do you remember that picture जिसमें विशाल और तुम दोनों शादी के मंडप में हो एंड मैं ना शादी करवा रही हूँ. तो उसमें एप्पल और ऑरेंज लगा दिया है तुम दोनों के मुंह पे और मैं तुम दोनों की शादी करवा रही हूँ.
People are so ridiculous, man. What all do they do, man? But yeah, I want to flirt with him. I want to flirt with him. Mr. Roy, Mr. Roy. I want to flirt with Mr. Roy. I think Roy was a cute man to flirt with.
He was so funny.
No, he wasn't. You made him extremely funny, okay? It was supposed to be a serious, intense character.
No, he was supposed to be like that.
Haley, Misha sir was like all like this throughout that shoot. He was like supposed to be tense.
No, यार. But मैं serious कैसे कर सकती थी उसमें? We were even supposed to dub my sound, like my voice पूरा, but फिर last में I think we didn't do that. तो मेरी ही आवाज के साथ हमने continue किया.
Mr. Bond.
मैंने बहुत funny किया था, but ठीक है.
नहीं अच्छा. Let me start with the whole question and answer thing because that's extremely crucial. That's why we're doing this live. Do you realize that?
Yes.
But I don't know how will I take the question and answers from you. Like it's on WhatsApp, so I don't have it on a piece of paper. I'll have to close. Yeah, how do I access the question and answers? Wait, let me check if I have another phone or working.
You have the questions on WhatsApp?
Yeah. How do I access WhatsApp and Instagram Live simultaneously is a big question. And you can keep changing a few filters. in time and try and look pretty and all. तुम्हारी गाड़ी में AC नहीं चल रहा है?
चल रहा है, कम रखा है.
Why are you sweating?
No, I'm not sweating, but मुझे चाहिए नहीं था, ठंडी लग रही थी, तो ठंड से बेटर है कि गर्मी लगे.
Okay.
Yeah.
Made a lot of sense. Yeah. Haley, what are your new projects? I was told approached for work left, right, center the day you finished shooting.
No. I am not doing anything right now.
Haley, come on. People are dying to see you.
What? I honestly have no idea कि next project क्या होगा, but
I'm waiting for you to send me your latest promo teaser something so that I upload on Instagram. They're like, hey buddy, best of luck, kill it, this that. May your show do really well, but not as good as Ishq Mein Mar Jawan and all of that.
नहीं, अभी I don't have any project right now lined up. We'll see that. क्या आता है क्या.
Unemployed vibe बड़ी boring है ना वैसे.
So how do you say this? Rara army? Like
Rara army नहीं है. Rara.
Rara army?
It's just Ra-A-R-Me.
बोलूं.
It is Ra-A-R-Me.
Rarmy.
Yeah, Ra-Army.
Ra-Army. But I'm going to say as Rarmy.
You can say that, yeah. Whatever, yeah.
नहीं दिख रही हूँ, मुझे समझ
Stop
नहीं आ रहा.
disrespecting them, they might troll you tonight.
What?
Unless stop disrespecting them, they might troll you.
नहीं अरे
अब live is over suddenly. Anyway, मैं ना questionnaire लेकर आता हूँ Haley because you're shaking too much in that.
ठीक है.
It's just looking very odd.
साइड में देखना, गाड़ी लगा देना. Okay.
Okay, wait. I found another phone. Now I don't know if I can. Yes. Wait, let me check if the WhatsApp is updated. Haley, why don't you? Do you have that questionnaire?
No, I don't have. They're not sent me.
Okay. You're not being treated as important anymore by Woot and Colors.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. They just
So
thought that.
suddenly, the team also is like.
क्या?
The team also is like, हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, मत भेजो.
नहीं, टीम अभी देख रही है हमारा लाइव चैट and they have told कि please save कर देना इस लाइव को because they want to. So you have to do that, okay? You have to save it.
I have. I'm really sorry if I offended you. I hope that I will get work after this. Shit, my WhatsApp is not getting updated. I'm getting scared, man.
What? WhatsApp क्यों update करना है?
वो जो पुराना phone उठाया ना, just to take the questionnaire. Not really, but you know how these things are. So if I am able to open it ever, yeah, I'll just.
Sanjana is saying, Rahul, please say interesting, very interesting. यार बहुत time हो गया उसको सुने.
Interesting, very interesting.
Like not like that. Of course.
Like how?
You know how? Like Vansh's style.
Vansh's style. No, are you paying me? I'll just send you my invoice. No? Okay. There is a lot of trouble. I can't.
लोगों को देखना है.
Okay. So it's interesting. Very interesting. I worked on my baritone, which I had course of the serial, and I can't open the questionnaire. So we'll just go back, ask a question, and we'll come back.
नहीं हो रहे questions open.
I can't open it. I just can't open it. ठीक है ना, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ. I'm too technically challenged. So the first question is, Haley, in what way are you similar to Vansh?
I'm similar to Vansh.
Yeah, that's the first question.
But I think that question is for you and not me.
No. What
But
it
I'm
says,
not
what
the
ways
girl.
are you similar to Vansh?
वंश से कोई सिमिलैरिटी नहीं है. I don't know.
And what ways are you similar to Ridhima then?
रिद्धिमा से भी कोई सिमिलैरिटी नहीं है. रिद्धिमा वो एक कैरेक्टर था, मतलब कुछ कुछ एक दो चीजें मैं निकाल सकती हूँ शायद कि हाँ ये थोड़ा सा सेम हो सकता है, बट शी इज अ कैरेक्टर एंड सब कुछ चीजें डिसाइडेड है. एंड तो हाँ शायद वो बहुत इमोशनल है, मैं भी इमोशनल हूँ, सेंसिटिव हूँ, बस. आई थिंक दैट्स द ओनली थिंग.
In what ways are you similar to Kainat?
Hi Rajveer.
Rajveer is also
Yeah.
he also realizes it's really fun doing these live sessions. Hi Rajveer.
No, Rajveer really liked the filter. मेरा जो भी मैंने लगवाया है.
Okay. We'll
But
do the
you
next
answer the questions. You answer the question. In what way you're similar to Vansh?
In what way am I similar to Vansh? I think हमारा accent बहुत similar है और
Wow.
हम दोनों fake accents के साथ काफी आगे चल रहे हैं. Don't worry. और I wish I had a pistol like him all the time. कभी भी निकाल देता था. You know, just to take out a gun and at any moment in your life is just the coolest thing you could pull off and impress people with. And I don't know, man.
फोन पकड़ने वाला स्टाइल. फोन हेलो बोलने वाला.
ऐसे वो तो that was the
नहीं वो वाला नहीं, ऐसे वो एकदम ऐसे वाला. याद है ये फोन है ऐसे वाला, लाइक पता नहीं हाथ कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहा है.
नहीं, that is not me. That is just Vansh only.
Oh, that is just Vansh. Okay.
No. You're talking about those moments, slow moments. Yeah. That they were specifically, you know, devised, planned for Vansh.
गानी बात याद आ गई. Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that. You know, slow moments. Actually, that was picked up from from the Matrix. Keanu Reeves. That wasn't me.
काफी discussion हुआ है.
Yeah, a lot of discussion. Yeah. Let me take a picture of the questions, huh? I'll just be back. You take care of yourself. And stay safe. Lock your doors, in the car.
तो पिक्चर लेके क्या? अच्छा दूसरे फोन से पिक्चर लिया. Wow.
Did not like Haley.
What?
What's the one thing about Vansh that you did not like? What did you not like? CCTV camera.
उसके घर के CCTV कैमरा and also उसके mood swings.
You think Vansh was pretty moody?
We're not talking about me, we're talking about Vansh.
Yeah. So I think there is something similar with you and Vansh. Mood swings.
We just got an answer. Yes.
Yeah. One thing that I didn't like about Vansh was that he was so fake. You know, like he would try and act pretty cool, but he's not cool. इतनी hypocrisy. Come on, man.
बहुत सारी चीज़. हाँ. No, but he was not fake. He was like that.
No, it's fake. It's like more like a defense mechanism that you put up, and you know you become a certain way, but inside you're very soft. Inside you want like you're acting like you want blood.
So Ansari Ishaq, he is very very angry. उन्होंने इतनी सारी angry emojis लगा दी है. I think उन्हें हमारा ये conversation पसंद नहीं आया.
बिल्कुल. Okay, we're sorry. Mr.
Hello Tanvesh. Hi.
Tanvesh is also joined. Tanvesh will not just leave your back, man. He'll always be around. Hi Tanvesh. Okay, so we've lost Haley.
मैं नहीं दिख रही.
And Haley, you're now you're back. And the next question would be, with whom did you form the greatest bond on the set?
I think all of us, no?
No, the greatest bond, Haley. We're not talking about all of. You can't form the greatest bond with everyone. Like I can tell you. Achha, I know. Okay. Cool. Chandni.
You?
The gun. And the ADs. I formed the greatest bond with the ADs.
Nisha sir is
Poor
calling
people, I
me
felt
live.
for them, man, throughout the show. Misha sir is calling you.
Yeah. उनको लगा ये लाइव शुरू नहीं हुआ है.
Misha sir is very hardworking, by the way. If Misha sir ever hears this, and all the team in Colors who's listening to this, Misha sir is the guy, man. He's the thing. He's so cool.
Yeah, he's cool.
Acha, what was your best memory from the set?
From?
The set. From the set. Matlab best memory from the show, best memory from the set.
How can you pick one memory? I mean,
चलो दो तीन बता दो.
you start.
My best memory from the set was when I got a separate room for myself. No. I think it was. I think it was with most of it had to do with Noel sir, and it was just the fun we had throughout shooting each and every.
Initial episodes in Goa. शुरुआत वाला Goa.
Initial episode in Goa will always be close to your heart, close to our heart, because I mean, it just took. Lot of things were involved, and we were so enamored, and we were so happy back then.
Yeah.
Lot
but
of
also
things.
The second Goa trip, I mean the Goa schedule, कभी भूलूंगी नहीं मैं. Like so much happened. Like it was just so much, इतनी धूप, इतना काम, इतना.
No, that's just hard work, Haley. That's not supposed to be remembered. That's supposed to be like that was blood and sweat. I'm talking about the happy.
No, but it was like they were happy moments, right?
You remember basketball at 2:30 in the afternoon?
Oh my God!
Wow, man! You have people wanting autographs on the. No?
लड़कियां थी छोटी छोटी, उनको मैं दिख गई, मतलब जाते हुए उन्होंने देखा मुझे. So they wanted a picture.
Okay. So
yeah,
what
basketball. Oh my God, दिखने में बहुत सुंदर लगा, but nobody knew that कितने पसीने में थे हम लोग.
Yeah, that was a tough shot, tough scenes. कुछ बहुत hectic हो गया था गोवा वाला, because
exactly.
बहुत में and afternoons के अंदर ही major chunk shoot होते थे.
Also humidity और धूप बहुत रहती थी. But yeah.
And then they're like the girl has to look pretty and glammed up and all of that, and everybody just perspiring.
Yeah.
What was your favorite Riansh moment?
Oh God, okay, I'll tell you. I think शुरुआत में रिद्धिमा बहुत डरी रहती थी वंश से हमेशा, एंड फिर एक धीरे धीरे ना एक थोड़ा सा जब लगाव शुरू हुआ था, एंड देयर वाज दिस वन मोमेंट जब वो जो रिद्धिमा और वंश के बीच में जो पहला डांस नहीं हुआ था ईशानी और आंगरे की शादी में, the one where you lift me, first one.
Yeah.
I think, and the moment you lift her,
smiles.
She smiles. I think that was really like nice, very special for Riddhima and Vansh also.
No, I also told you. I felt very nice for the girl.
कुछ तो अच्छा लगा, just पढ़ के भी बहुत अच्छा लगा था दोनों के लिए. और तो बहुत सारे होंगे, but yeah, this is the one I remember right now.
I loved the साड़ी बांधने वाला scene, first वाला जो था.
Yeah.
I think that was shot also very well. I think there was something very, very. I don't know how to say it, but it had something very special about it. I know a lot of TV series have such scenes.
Yeah.
But there was something special about that. Let's fast forward 5 years from now. Okay, Haley. What would Riansh be doing 5 years from today?
कहीं
their COVID vaccines.
कोविड वैक्सीन तो ले ली होगी दोनों ने, दूसरा अभी जिसको ये लोग नाम दिया है सारे फैंस ने. Do you even know this? It is hilarious. Okay, so the baby that Ridhima is carrying in her stomach, उसको ये लोग dot rice सिंघानिया.
I know. Oh, कुछ
Like
तो.
it is hilarious.
But that's your
Like
baby,
it is
you know.
so funny.
Or to.
Dot two. What is this? So one day would select उसके हैंडल पे एक पिक्चर अपलोड होती है जिसपे they also write dot to rice सिंघानिया. I mean it is so funny, so hilarious. But yeah. तो
So
उसके साथ होंगे क्या कर रहे होंगे पता नहीं. वंश ने अपना बिजनेस वगैरह तो छोड़ दिया है तो उसको स्कूल वूल छोड़ने जाते होंगे. फिर
तू as a professional मतलब क्या करता होगा अगर काम नहीं करेगा.
बहुत पैसे हैं या पैसे तो आंगरे को दे दिए ना. पैसे
सब कुछ दे दिए आंगरे को. It because Haley is a superstar, so that keeps happening. We
Thank you Didi. Sorry.
That's one of the perils of most successful actors than you. You just have to keep looking. अभी मेरे साथ भी कोई खिंचवा लेता है यार काश, but that never happens.
Please shut up, okay? Next question. Mino is here. Which country have you all shifted to?
Mino is here.
Mino is here.
Mino, I miss you, Mino. Mino, and I miss those conversations post dinner. जब आप बैठते नहीं थे नीचे मैं हमेशा बोलता था बैठ जाओ, but you had to walk all the time because you were trying to. No, but Rahul, why don't you get it? That's.
Yeah.
So somebody.
अरे भाई बहुत जाएगा.
Don't make fun of me.
इनको भैया बाहर जाके बोल दो ना.
हाँ. So what would they be doing 5 years from now? He'll just stand tall.
I think this conversation is just over. Let's move ahead. पता नहीं.
Oh, one word for IMMJ experience then.
What?
One word for IMMJ experience. One word, huh? You have to open a dictionary and give it a good word, okay? It cannot
Beautiful.
be some poor word. Good.
Beautiful.
Really, they gave you one word.
I said beautiful.
Okay. Wood Select is
For you?
asking us. Huh?
You?
For me, word would be memorable.
Yeah.
Very, very, very memorable. And yeah, that's that. So is this the end of it? Are we done with the show? I'll wait. I'll take a few questions from the audience also.
Yes.
Some nice ones, huh? Before I hope we have some good questions. Is IMMJ coming with the same cast? Haley can answer that.
No, I have no idea, and I think अभी तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I mean, yeah, this is a question जो obviously हम आंसर नहीं कर सकते हैं. मतलब we honestly don't know.
And people are asking, please add Vishal Vashisht. Unfortunately, we can't add Vishal Vashisht. I am so sorry, man. Haley, ma'am, what would your next role be like? If given a choice, what kind of roles would you want to take next? Basically, that's what the question is. Secret agent तो कर लिया ना. अब कितना secret agent करोगे?
हाँ नहीं, but I think secret agent उसने इसलिए लिखा है because हमारा शो कहीं और जगह पर as a secret agent कहीं on air होता है. हाँ, secret agent नहीं. I don't know. I'm not I don't really think about this ever.
Well, what kind? Like, would you want to venture into web series and explore? You know, there are a lot of genres there.
Yeah.
And you know, then there's of course the age-old traditional, good old TV serial. That is there.
पता नहीं, देखूंगी.
Really, but I want you to do comedy now. I mean, if you get the opportunity.
You want me to do comedy? Mohit sir also told me that do comedy.
Yeah, because it's not something very, very common that mainstream people are picking up. Like, it's not something they would want to go for. Like, everybody wants to pick up guns and, you know, beat people up and, you know, do powerful roles, but nobody wants to, nobody wants to do a comedy, nobody wants to do something light. It's just something sweet, romantic, comic.
Yeah. पता नहीं, पर ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स बनते भी ज्यादा नहीं है, बहुत बहुत कम.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't even have too many shows in that genre. Very few. मतलब hardly एक दो.
Okay. So you haven't really pinpointed to, what you would want to do. It depends on what comes.
Comedy stuff, yes, yeah, it is tough to get that timing. And
the one question you would want to ask me, but you haven't because I was your co-actor. Oh, that's a nice question, man. Haley, I think you can ask me that one question. I think we are.
Yeah, we done?
We don't have any questions. Nope. They're just. I'm MJ Banki. Not a real question.
All right.
That's more like it.
Yes, that's it. Yeah. Thank you, guys. I think it's our time to say thank you to all the fans, all the viewers who've given us so much love. You have made this show what it is right now. Do you agree that to that?
Of course, man. Of course. It is everything we have done. It means nothing without the people who have. Black Mamba कौन है? Aryan Rai Singhania. Yeah.
Aryan. He's the Black Mamba.
Yeah.
So yeah, entire team.
No, I think we have to start from us, na? We have to praise the corporate team first, then we praise our producers, then we praise the actors, and then जो भी हमारी team crew members and the audience.
Let's start with our network, Colors, the entire team.
At Viacom, Woot,
yes,
and
thank you,
all the
Mamta ma'am, Yash sir.
Wait, Nahili, let me the big people, influential people, the powerful who help actors like us get work. Please don't get offended at my jokes. I am a very common, and if at all I have, it's okay. I think it's just a joke. Life is too short. Take it in that spirit, And everybody in the Colors team, man. There are a lot of people involved there, right from programming, marketing, so many people, cool people, not so cool people. I love you, man. Thank you so much for being such a sport. What a great team effort from Colors. I can't believe it. Then, of course, now we can come to our producers, man, Mamta ma'am, and Yash sir. Ab tum bolo.
यार ये बारी okay ठीक है, thank you so much. It just feels weird right now. अभी मुझे अजीब सा लग रहा है, but yeah.
Okay, let me do it.
Big thank you to our makers for creating such a beautiful show. I think we all have made such great memories, such great experience. इतना कुछ सीखा है. So I want to especially thank you, Mamta ma'am, for giving me Riddhima, because she's a character which is very, 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 very close to my heart. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, मैं ऐसे बोल नहीं सकती हूँ, but I have so much in my heart for her. So thank you. Your turn.
Nah, my turn. I really thank Mamta ma'am because I think she's like soul creatively looking at the like the entire show, and hired me. So I don't know what she saw, but I'm glad whatever she saw. I'm very glad for that feeling she had after she saw my look test. And I want to thank Yash for paying me to make out with you every day. And it's a nice feeling to get paid. And thank you, Yash sir. Thank you, Mamta ma'am. And और किसको हमें थैंक्स करना है? अरे नोएल सर हैं, ऐसे तो पूरा क्रू बचा हुआ है. हेली
बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है, but yeah, Noel sir, Mohit sir, Nisha sir. I think everybody, our cast also, because we were a good team. We were a great team.
Yeah, that's that. It could have gone so out if the cast was something else, But I'm so glad that everybody stuck their guns together, and we were all very, very nice and cooperative, and it was a good vibe at the end of the day.
Yes.
Not many times will you end a show and say it was a great vibe, because normally
No.
people.
I think we made a great show.
Hmm.
All of us, great team effort. ये हम हमेशा बोलते आएंगे because we all are proud of that thing. At least I am very proud of that.
Hmm.
Yes.
True.
Okay.
Okay, and you have to thank the fans also, no? Because they were watching. They were the ones giving us TRPs and numbers on.
I think we started with that only. We started thanking them and then we moved ahead. But ठीक है. Thank you to all the fans.
Thank you, everybody. It was
Thank
a wonderful
you so
journey with the Safar and the Naya Safar.
Oh yeah.
It was something great. And yeah, somebody just asked me about funky socks. Okay, I'll tell you. क्या हुआ था कि वो socks जो हैं, we didn't have any socks on that particular day. So I wore those crazy colored socks, and everybody said, "Why have you worn these?" I said that this is a part of the character, and there is a great mystery behind it, and everybody.
Pineapple socks, right?
Yeah, pineapple, pink.
Cat socks.
Anything, and then it became a trend. कि भाई ये टेढ़े मेढ़े socks.
वापस.
Yeah, because they thought that they were too funky for lunch, but they didn't realize that.
Like it was like a part of the character.
Yeah, and you know how it came? Because there were no socks that day. There were no black socks.
अच्छा तो वो.
तो फिर कुछ भी जो pink color के socks पहन ली, फिर pineapple socks.
They looked cute. They were really nice.
So yeah, that was the funky socks story. Anyway, I think this is it. It's 4:55. I have to save this live also, no?
Yes. 1 second.
Anita, do not give me work. Wow. Okay.
Wow. But
anyway, all of you, have fun, chill, best of luck, take care. God bless you, man. See you around.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you
so much.
Bye. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you.
Thank you, Haley.
Thank you, right? Have I ever?
Yeah, neither have I. Neither have I, man. Oh shit, man. Imagine. It's okay.
But I think you know the feelings. I think you get it, right?
I'm your best co-actor. I know that.